So today we are going to discuss about the master of the roster. In 2018, one of the female employee of Supreme Court accused the then Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi about the sexual offences. Ranjan Gogoi, using power of master of roster, became the judge of the case. He gave two committees for this. First was the in-house committee and second was the Justice Patnaik Committee. The in-house committee was to see in the sexual charges and the Patnaik Committee was to see whether it was a conspiracy against the Supreme Court. The in-house committee said that there was no such sexual offense against the female. The Patnaik Committee said that there is no conspiracy against Supreme Court. So let us see what is happening now. First of all, we'll see what is Master of Roster. Master of Roster is vesting of exclusive discretion in Chief Justice to constitute benches and allocate cases. In other words, Chief Justice of India will decide which judge will look after which case. So, it is a suo motu power which is of Chief Justice of India, which was used by Ranjan Gogoi despite being accused. He labeled the case as the matter of judicial independence and presided over it, as we have seen earlier. This power makes the Chief Justice of India a sole point of defense of the court and against the executive interference. In Ashok Pandey versus Supreme Court of India 2018, a three-judge bench of court held that Master of Roster is CJI's exclusive power. Thereafter, a two-judge bench in Shanti Bhushan versus Supreme Court of India 2018 rejected the plea that the Master of Roster should be interpreted as a collegium. That is, now CJI is the sole authority deciding the Master of Roster. Thus, do you remember the four judges who came in front of media and said there are mishappenings in Supreme Court? It was against the then CJI Deepak Mishra who was using the same power. Do you also know that Ranjan Gogoi was also in this four judges? Yes, and when his turn came, he used the same power as per the article. So there is need for judicial reforms. The reason being the first reason is the attractive lure of the post-retirement jobs, and the second one is the privilege of master of roster. The first can be tackled by a cooling off period between the retirement and the post-retirement appointment, and the second one can be dealt by diversifying the CJI's exclusive and untrammeled discretion. Whether this should be vested to a larger cohort of serving judges is an issue that invites public debate. Thank you.